Hi, it's Jocelyn here, your realtor with the Jocelyn Russo Group. Today I'm here to give you your real estate minute. We're going to be covering why right now is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for sellers, and then we're going to get into northern New Jersey real estate market. So today we are going to talk about this huge opportunity that sellers have that's right at your fingertips. I'm going to give you 3 reasons of what's going on if you're thinking of selling your home in 2022. So the first thing is demand is very strong. A home comes on the market and people are flocking to it. I was just in a bidding war just last week with 42 offers in Passaic County, New Jersey. So it is happening. You're the only home in the neighborhood on the street, and the demand is strong. Second thing is supply is very limited. If you look at this chart right here, inventory has hit a record low. So not enough homes are on the market for the demand of the buyers that are there. The third thing is right now sellers have the maximum leverage. So what does that look like? First, it's sales price. Because there's so many buyers looking to buy their homes, they're getting way more than the asking price as long as it's priced accordingly. Second thing is they're getting a flexible closing date. Because these buyers have lost out on some homes, they may be renting or living with family, they're giving flexible closing dates for what you want as a seller. Third thing is a potential lease back. Buyers are offering to give you time to find your home. And the fourth thing is minimal offer contingencies. What is that looking like? They're looking to waive appraisals, waive home inspection, like really getting into the contingency aspect of their offer to make them outstand, and the sellers are leveraging that. So that is the reasons why at your fingertips, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for sellers. So the northern New Jersey market, we had 144 new homes came on the market this week, either active or coming soon. 118 homes went under contract and 58 homes sold this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to help you. And remember, who you work with matters. We'll talk to you soon. Did you enjoy this video? Well, if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, share it with a friend, and click this link right here. That'll take you to a playlist with a bunch of more informational videos for you and your family. We'll talk to you soon.